National High School, home of Matibay, would like to thank the following. Dr. Patricia Denise Ancheta, which is the Municipal Health Officer. To our school principal, Mrs. Rosalita F. Ripiso. To our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Ken Revino. And to Mr. Sean John Castillo and to Ms. Mary Jocelyn F. Pamisan. Palakpakan po natin sila. At syempre, hindi po mawawala ang ating PSMS, Sir Erwin Leneses. Beyond blessed ang mga student na nandito ngayon. Why? Dahil alam natin na ang education is very important in our lives. It helps people become good citizen, get a better paid job, or shows the difference between the good and the bad. Education shows us the importance of hard work and at the same time help us grow and develop. Thus, we are able to shape a better society to live in by knowing and respecting rights, laws, and regulations. To sum it up about teenage pregnancy, today, in our society, one of the most significant problems among teenagers is teen pregnancy. So if you are a teenager, teen pregnancy can affect people's lives such as physical, emotionally, as well as financially. Kaya kung may mga boyfriend and girlfriend man kayo, hindi ko ina-advise na i-break nyo, but always remember that there is always a perfect timing for everything. To sum it up about drugs, always say no to drugs, which is now visible almost everywhere. Drug addiction is a major social evil of modern times. So the young ones should be ensured of proper love and care. Siyempre, yung mga parents natin, yung true friendship na yan, yung love and care, matatagpuan yun sa kanila. Drugs are a waste of time. They destroy our memory and our self-respect and everything that goes along with our self-esteem. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nandito, sa ating mga participants at sa ating mga guro na tumulong sa atin. Palakpakan po natin sila.